Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ellie. Happy birthday to you. Blow, make a wish. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ellie! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ellie! Blow! Go! Yay! One more! One more! Yippee! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Blow!
Happy birthday, Tachi! Wow, ayun na. Ay, ayaw mag-blow. Lapit ka. Laksan mo.
Pa. Yay! Happy birthday! Give it to me.
Here.
Let's read.
Read it together.
To Sweetie Pie Ellie, happy birthday, anak. I love you. Love always,
Daddy.
Daddy. Okay, open it. Open.
Ah. Ah.
Wow, excited?
Yeah. I see something. I know.
What's that?
Wow. Wow.
What's that?
Helmet.
What's that? Sige. Open it. Ate Lot, ano help? Dito ka Lot, sa kabila Lot. Wow.
Wow. What is it? Ano
Open, open. May zipper yan. Let's see. Let's find out. What's that?
Happy si Madams.
Whoa, a helmet. Whoa.
Knee pads. What else?
Skates.
Roller skates.
Yung favorite ni Inday.
Yay.
Color pink.
Yay. Roller skates.
You like it?
Yay.
Huwag mong tanggalin yan, nak. Pang-adjust yan. Diyan mo lang yan para hindi masakit sa paa. Let's try it on Saturday. Or later. Well, let's call that. Oh, you get another one.
Wow.
You like it?
Yay.
What will you say to Daddy?
Thank you, Daddy.
What else? What else?
These are knee pads.
Yeah. Knee pads and elbow pads.
So where are they?
Andun anak, dun din sa knee pads. Magkakasama sila.
Can we open that?
Open it. Open it.
Mommy, how about let's do it? Wow. I love it. Wow. Is these elbow pads, Mom?
Yeah.
Eh,
Okay, what will you say first to Daddy?
Thank you, Dad.
You look at the camera, you tell Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
What else?
Wow.
What else?
Thank you.
Oh, say bye-bye na. Thank you.
Bye.
Can do it.
Oh.
You like it? You like it? Oh.
Yes.
Yan. Pag ganyan-ganyan lang yan. Go. Yan. Gawat, ma'am. Yan. Diyan yan nagsisimula, anak.
Ikot. Ikot. Ang size.
Go. Ganyan, anak. Anak. Yan. Yan yan, nagsisimula eh. Nakikita ko yung mga bata dito eh. Ay, isa pa.
Isa pa.
How old are you?
I'm already 6 years old.
Really?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What will you say?